Ltd, and I love coconuts. Here in the Caribbean, we are known for our gorgeous beaches, beautiful sun all year round, and coconuts. The coconut is so versatile. There's usually water. I don't know if you can hear it. There's usually water on the inside. That water is so refreshing and totally delicious. Inside of the coconut, you also find, if it is green, a soft jelly. It's just called coconut jelly. Kids love it, adults love it, really delicious. And if the coconut is hard, like this one, you can grate the inside of the coconut, the hard part, and you can use it in many recipes, many delicious recipes. Today, we're going to be making a drink, but we're not going to use only the coconut. We're going to add a few other exciting recipes like the pineapple, totally tropical, to make this amazing, refreshing drink. So, let's go over the ingredients. I have 1.5 cups of pineapple chunks. We have 1 cup of pineapple juice. We also have 1 cup of coconut milk. Now it's important that you use coconut milk and not coconut cream. We are not making pina colada. That is an amazing drink and I love it, but we are not making pina colada today. So we need coconut milk and not coconut cream. Sugar to taste, because you know sometimes the pineapple just ain't sweet. Coconut water from 1 coconut and the juice of half of a lime. There is really just one step to making this drink, our exotic coconut and pineapple punch. We're going to add all of the ingredients to our blender and then we're done. Our drink is almost done. Only thing left to do is to strain it. Oh, it smells so good. Just look at that gorgeous color. Straining it will remove some of the bits of pep that we would have gotten from the coconut and from the pineapple. And we're going to have a nice clear punch to drink. Our exotic coconut and pineapple punch is done. Just going to give it a quick taste to see how much sugar we need to add, because we know sometimes when we add the pineapple, if it isn't sweet, it's not going to give you that sweet taste. Really good, but I think I'm going to add a bit more sugar. This drink is perfect for parties, special occasions, and kids will love it. And if you need this drink to be more adult, well, you know what you need to do to make this a more adult drink. Exotic coconut pineapple punch. So good. Now you try it. If you enjoyed this drink today, I want you to look over here, see some of my other drink recipes, and once you've watched them all, just click the button below, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.